Hi guys. So let us see the person whom you are thinking as your twin flame is your twin flame or not. So from now onwards, what I've decided is I'll post English videos only in English channel. Now the Q&A session is going on. Now Q&A session from first question to ninth question. Yeah, it's over. And this is eighth question. In between I left, I think. Still only one more 10th question is left. Once I finish all the 10 questions, answering all the 10 questions, from then on, English videos I'll post only in English channel and Telugu videos I'll post only in Telugu channel. Okay. So now let us go into the video, how to confirm. First of all, let me tell in my opinion what I will not consider in confirming a twin flame. Okay. Because every other people talk about this factor as a very primary important factor, but I don't feel it could be important, but I don't feel uh, it is like it's actually confusing factor. Okay. So everybody talks about familiarity. So what I feel is about regarding familiarity, I feel, see, if you were born, you had a relationship with someone in your last birth, last incarnation. Okay, so you still have some karma to be balanced with that person. Either it's good karma or either it's bad karma. So in this birth, they are also born. They are also in your life in this birth also. So when you see them, you feel a familiarity. Okay, so whether it's a karmic person or whether it's a soulmate connection or just a friends or whatever it is. Okay, you feel a familiarity. I have seen this person somewhere. Your soul immediately recognizes, no? So you feel I've seen this person somewhere. I don't know where I have seen. That is also familiarity, isn't it? So see, where like I went to my new job, okay, to HDFC office, and there I saw 2 or 3 colleagues working there, and immediately I felt a connection with them, and it's a very friendly connection. I felt I've seen them somewhere else. I don't know where. I was keeping on thinking, did these people live in my street when I was a child? All that, or these people are like known to my parents, friends or something like that. I was keeping on thinking because of that familiarity. How do I know these people? How do I feel familiar with these faces like that? So that familiarity comes from the people whom all your soul recognizes in past birth, whom all you have met, whom all you have been in relationship, either it's a hate relationship or either it's a love relationship, with whom all you have been in relationship with, all those faces, all those people, all those souls you will feel familiar with. So actually twin flame relationship, twin flame is the most familiar person on the whole universe itself, and you feel as if you have been living with this person for eras together. Okay, it's not like decades, it's eras together, and that familiarity is more familiar than your parents. You feel as if you live within, when you see that, when you see your twin flame now, that familiarity is entirely actually different. Okay, and you feel as if all the time this person has been with you. Okay, so you immediately get that connection. Immediately you get that connection. No, connection in the sense not physical talking. You'll able to sense that. You'll able to feel that. But there is a big difference. What is that difference is when you are in the initial stages of twin flame journey. When you are just entered the twin flame journey, you cannot sense this familiarity, because this twin flame familiarity could be understood only when you have crossed many. You see, I'm a female, so when I crossed many men, I realized this is not my twin flame, this is not my twin flame, this is not my twin flame. I kept on rejecting. So when I saw one final man, I felt that connection. So in the initial stage, even I could not recognize that familiarity. Only when I crossed to that level, when I went to that level only, I was able to recognize that familiarity. So initially, when you're attracted to somebody, when you don't know is this a karmic connection or trauma bond, or it's just an lustful attraction or just crush type infatuation, when you don't know any of these things, at that stage, if people are going to tell that you'll feel a familiarity in that person, obviously you are going to feel familiarity. You will not be able to distinguish between this twin flame familiarity and this attraction. Okay, so that's why I don't tell familiarity as a prime most important factor. No, that is rejected in my list. Only 3 things I'm going to tell how to confirm your twin flame, because whatever I talk is what I practically experienced and not through the theory or somebody else's experience or from books. No, I'll speak only my experience, okay, and what I faced, what struggle I faced, and how I overcame it, and what solution I found for myself. So it could not be the same for you, but it could help you and guide you, okay. So the number one thing how to confirm your twin flame is your love list. That is the prime most important thing for me, because I wrote the characteristics. What I did is when I entered into my twin flame journey, and when I was in the healing journey and all, I've never known whether my twin flame is born or not also. Okay, so I came out of my married family and I was with my parents. That time I never knew, but only one thing I knew was there is a dream person within my heart. I love only that dream man. So I could not accept the person who's in my life, who's standing in front of me. All those characteristics I could not intake. So after coming to my parents' house, I sat down with a paper pen, with a diary, and I closed my eyes and I felt him within my heart, how he conversates with me, how he like how every day, day-to-day life, we both live together inside my dream world. So all that, when we live with a person, we know their characteristics now. So like that, I listed down characteristic one by one, one by one, one by one. Like that, I wrote 61 points. This is how my masculine is within me. So all that 61 points only matched with my twin flame. So your love list will 100 percentage match only with your twin flame, not with anybody else. Even a minute difference, you cannot settle with that person. Twin flames will never settle for anything less than what they are dreaming and living within themselves. Okay, so that complete package, what you are living within you, that exact thing will be in the outside reality also as your twin flame. Okay, that is number one. Number two is core values. So like for me and for my twin, we both are like ultimate freedom lovers. Okay, and we both like to travel a lot. And we both are like very, very ambitious people. And we both like growing in career. Like that we both are. We both are like unstoppable. Okay, so your core choices match only with your twin flame, because when God created your soul itself, it is as yin yang. If you would have seen my other videos in Tamil, you would have understood. Okay, so that video also I'll post somewhere about. Okay, so when God created the soul itself as yin yang ball only, and it is always connected in eternity. Okay, the yin portion is the feminine, yang portion is the masculine, and feminine is present within the masculine itself, and the masculine is present within the feminine itself. So this is how creation itself. So masculine and feminine can never be separated. So when God created both as one, their soul DNA blueprint is same. Okay, so the way they think, they are not Xerox copies of each other, or they are not clones of each other. But what they think, the way they analyze things, the way they practically work out things, and for that implication of action is there. No, they mentally frame structure what to tell, mode of action. This is how I have to proceed, step by step, everything will be exactly same. As a masculine, how he expresses himself will be different, and as a feminine, how you express yourself will be different. Only that is going to be the difference. But what you are expressing is going to be the same. Okay, and how you live life, and what you choose in life, and what you value in life, and how you live your life, and what is your future vision about your life, and what is your core choices, what is your lifestyle you want to live. Okay, what feminine is living here or longing to live, what is her authenticity, exactly same thing masculine also will be living. So that was also a confirmation point that made me confirm he is my twin flame. So what I was longing to live, I was wishing to live, I am living in my dream now. Exactly, my man is living that in his reality. Okay, so so the soul blueprint, core values and core choices of twin flames will be exactly same, no difference at all. Okay, and then third point is telepathy. I have already made a video in Tamil explaining what is the difference between telepathy with others and twin flame telepathy. So I'll just brief it here. What is the main difference between twin flame telepathy and telepathy with others is, for an example, like what is when the actual telepathy? You're thinking about some song, or you're thinking about some serial, some movie. Immediately that song gets played in the radio. That is telepathy. Your thoughts are going to the universe, and universe is making it happen. Okay, that is telepathy, actually. Exchange of thoughts, and to whom you are exchanging, it has been received and it has been replied also. That is telepathy, isn't it? So then next thing is you are thinking about your mom, and what happened? My mom didn't call me for 4-5 days. What happened to her? Why didn't she call me? All these things, if you're thinking, immediately she gives you a call. Your phone rings. That is telepathy. Again, you think about your some old school friend, and you're thinking, what is she doing now? What will be she doing now? How is her life going on? Has her health improved? All these things if you're thinking, and she immediately calls you and she talks to you, or she texts you and tells like, I'm happy, my life is going on well. You feel happy. That is telepathy. But in all these cases, you notice one common thing is you think about that particular thing. Either it's a song, or either it's your mom, or either it's somebody, some person. So you know the physical form, okay, how it looks, who it is, and you already have a connection with that person, and that God connection is there between you both, and you know the physical figure of that person. So you, when you think itself, you think about the physical shape, and you think about, already know some how to tell, some info about them also. So that person is a known person to you. So when you think about them, automatically you get connected. This is telepathy with others. Okay, but what is the main difference with telepathy with twin flame is, you do not know who your twin flame is. See, you are thinking somebody else. Okay, you are thinking this person could be my twin flame, or that person could be my twin flame. This is all you're thinking. Still not yet confirmed. Okay, let me keep. Even you have confirmed, yeah, like me. I know confidently this fellow is my twin flame. Okay, but still, what I'm telling is, don't think about that person. Don't give your twin flame energy that person's physical form, because inside your heart space you are having your twin flame as energy characteristics. You are the one who created those characteristics, isn't it? You are the one who realized those characteristics and who have been living with those characteristics. That is only energy. Okay, in day-to-day basis, when you are living, let whomever you think confidently this is my twin flame, let him be sitting just even next to you. Don't give this energy this person's physical form. Have this energy as just energy. Okay, and you keep talking to yourselves. You are talking to yourselves, okay, not with anybody else. You are just conversating with yourselves. You have not given any physical form. Okay, you are telling yourselves of, you are telling your botherations to yourselves. Okay, and you're telling the botherations. Let us keep. You're telling to the God within yourselves. You're crying, or you're feeling so happy, or you're having a question, confusion. You're keeping on thinking and thinking to yourselves. And if the reply comes from the person who's just next to you, you didn't think about him. You didn't give the physical form of your masculine, physical form of the masculine energy with this person. You didn't give this person's physical form to that masculine energy. You are just conversating with yourselves, or you're just conversating with the divine self within yourself. Okay, but the answer comes from this person. Then this person is your twin flame. And if suppose the answer does not come from this person, you're conversating within yourselves. Okay, and you know you are in deep trouble or very extreme emotional state, and you are conversating within yourselves. You are expressing that emotion within yourselves. You are able to feel that emotion within yourselves. If this person does not react or respond, or if the person whom you are thinking as your twin flame does not respond, then he is not your twin flame. Very simple. He is not your twin flame. Your twin flame is somebody else. You have not even met them. Okay, these three things or the main confirmation, what I believe is to confirm this is your twin flame. Number one is love list. Number two is core values, core choices. Number three is twin flame telepathy, not telepathy with others. Okay. Okay, guys. Next video will be 10. Number 10. No, 8 I missed. Now I made 8. Already 9 is made. The next video will be like, my parents are always urging me to get married. How will I make them understand? Like, I want to marry only my dream partner. I don't want to marry anybody else other than that. So that will be our next topic. Well, let us meet in the next topic. Until then, bye.